dear friends, welcome to another episode of academic typesetting using LaTeX. Today we will explore more about list. What is a list? We all are familiar with this. Lists are a vital part of the document that contain large quantities of information. It helps to present information in an easier to read format, and this makes the content useful in many types of professional documents. Lists often appear in documents, especially in academic, because their purpose is often to present information in a clear and concise fashion. List in LaTeX is of various types, and their formatting features are provided with convenience and predictability. Using lists in LaTeX is pretty straightforward and doesn't require you to add any additional packages. So it is very easy to understand the different configuration of list. In this class, we will discuss various kinds of lists in LaTeX like enumerate, itemize, description, and we also go through some custom lists along with ordered, unordered, and special list. So once again, I welcome you all to this episode. Basically, list structures in LaTeX are simply environments that essentially come in three types. They are itemize. This is used for creating bulleted or unordered list. Then enumerate. It is used for creating a numbered or ordered list. Next is description, used for creating a list of descriptions. If you see these three different types of lists, it is clear that we have the same kind of thing in HTML also. There also we have ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. So here also we have a similar kind of structure. But type listing list is a large topic because LaTeX lists are extremely configurable that enables creation of an enormous variety of list types and structures. Now let us familiarize with the different category of list. First one is unordered list. Unordered lists are produced by the itemize environment, where each list entry starts by using item command, which also generates the bulleted symbol. Please see the example here. This is an article type document. We are beginning the document by using the begin document command, and here we have three different items listed using /item environment. How it is listed over here? /item list entries starts with verb item command. How it is displayed in the PDF, see like this. Likewise, I have added other two items also. So it is displayed in a bulleted format. Here we use the /item command. Next is ordered list, or it is also called numbered list. These lists have the same syntax, but it use the enumerate environment. Each entry must be preceded by the control sequence /item, which will automatically generate numbers to label the item. These numbers starts at 1 with every use of the enumerate environment. LaTeX numbering behaving can be changed by using enum item package. Let us see an example. This is the enumerate environment. We are beginning the environment by using the command /begin enumerate. Then each entry in the item is included by using /item entry. We start the environment by using enumerate command, begin enumerate, end enumerate. Within that we add different items. So how it displays? Instead of bullets, it displays 1, 2, 3, etc. See, /item, it is displayed as the first entry in the list. So this is an ordered list. It is achieved using enumerate environment. Coming to the last category of list, it is description list. Here we are using description environment. The optional label for each entry is enclosed in square brackets after the slash item command. Let us see the example. Before that, let's see the output. Here the document is like functional components of the system, and all different components are listed here as a definition, and all different components are listed here with a description. See, CPU, central processing unit. CPU is the brain of the computer, like that. Then memory unit, description of memory unit, input unit, output unit, etc. Coming to the source code, here we start the environment by using the begin description command. Begin description command, and there is an end description command also. So within this environment, we are adding different definition items. How it is displayed? See the first element, it is slash item, functional components of a computer. This is also part of a list, but there is no acronym or definition term here. It is simply displays using an indentation. But coming to the second item, slash item, within the square bracket, I have added the core term or CPU. So it is displayed in a boldface format, CPU, and we can by looking it, we can see that this is the definition or description of CPU. And likewise, different other entries are also made here. Slash item memory unit, slash item input unit, etc. As I pointed out in the beginning, number of configurations are available with list. We are not going to explore everything. And one such configuration is nested list. What is that? Nested lists are lists inside a list. These lists are designed when an item has other various sub-items. See this, here I have a numbered system. I use enumerate command to generate the numbered item 1, 2, 3, etc. like that. Within the first element, I have bullet point also. How did I achieve this? The labels consist of sequential numbers. So this is a numbered element. 1. How it is achieved? Using the enumerate environment. We have seen that. Begin enumerate. After that, I have added the item, slash item. The labels consist of sequential numbers. So it is displayed as an integer value. So it is displayed as a numbered element. Immediately after that, I have started another environment. Item is. Begin item is. So begin item is from here to, so the span of begin item is from this point to. Some more points about nested list. The label style of nested list entries changes according to its depth in the list. For nested itemized list, the bullet type changes. So if we are using itemized list in nested form, the bullet type changes. And if we are using enumerated list, which means numbering, in enumerated environment, we will get numbered list. The number format changes with increasing depth of the entry. Both itemized list and enumerate lists are limited to a depth of 4 levels. Now we will look into an example. Here we have a very good example for this. See this list. Here we can see a mix-up of. Here we can see enumerated environment in different levels, basically in 4 levels. And one first level item, this is the first level, and 2 first level item. So these two are in same hierarchy. After this first level item, you can see A, B. So this is second level. This is the second level item, and under that you can see Roman letters, third level item. Then after that you can see capital letter A, B. So we can see 4 different levels under the first level item. Now let us go through the source code. We are beginning the environment, enumerate environment. Then slash item first level item, slash item first level item. So these two entries are printed like first item to first item. After that, I am beginning another enumerate environment. So this comes to the, so this will be accounted as the next level basically the second level item. Begin enumerate. Please note that I have not closed this enumerate environment. Within that, I have started another enumerate environment, and two items are added. Second level item, second level item. So it is printed as A, B. Without closing the second level enumerate item, I began another enumerate environment. So this is the third enumerate environment. Item, third level item. Okay. So it is printed as 1, 2, third level item. Then again, I am starting another environment. So this is the innermost level, the fourth level item. It is printed as A, B, C. So as we go to the depth of enumerate environment, we can see different levels. At first, it was printed using Arabic numbers, then A, B, C, then then Roman letter, then capital A, B, C. Okay, and after entering all the elements, we need to close each enumerate environment. This is another interesting list. This is of a question paper format. So if you want a horizontal list, package task can be handy. In combination with a package like X Sheets, you can prepare an exam paper for students. Here you can see question number 1. Within that, A, B, C, D, different sub list. Actually, these options are sub lists. Then in question number 2, you can see A, B, C, D and all. Let us see how this is achieved. See this code. Here we have different packages like tasks and X sheets. Just include these different packages in the preamble section, and you have to configure the setup sheets. Question type is equal to exam. So these are the options available within that package, and we are beginning the environment, question environment. Begin question. Which one of the entries does not fit with others? It will appear as it is. Please note that here the question 1 is automatically printed, since this is the first question. Then we can give different options like begin task. 4 options are there. First one is task mercury, task iron, task lead, task zinc. Okay, you include it like different tasks, and we are ending the task. So this block will give you these different options. And coming to, and here we are closing that question environment. The first question environment is closed over here. After that, you are beginning the second question environment. So this is the question, it is appeared as it is. After the question, you begin the task environment and provide different options. Like this, a number of options are available with different types of lists. Customizing list, changing labels. Custom lists can be produced by using the enum item package or direct modification of the standard list. Here you can see a summary of the standard LaTeX commands, counter variables and list parameters that can be used in different environment. See level 1, which means we have seen different levels of bullets like 1.1, 1.2.1, etc. For that you can use enumerate label commands, and if you are using itemize environment, for that you have different itemize label commands. See this label enum I, then this is for first level, and if you are using label enum to I, which means a Roman letter, second level, you will get a 2 level numbering. Likewise, here you have itemize label commands also. So this table gives you label generation at each level of the itemize and enumerate list environments. Likewise, you can create counter variables. At this point of time, we are not going into further details of different counter variables and all, but please aware that number of configurations are available with list. See, this is one example for that. You can create different levels of options by using the enumerate environment. Item 1, item 2, item 3. Within that, I have started another environment, begin enumerate. So from the third option onwards, 3.1. How this is achieved? Because I have already configured the Arabic numbering as enum I. So if I use different enumerate environment one after another, you will get different levels of numbering. Dear friends, we have learned so many things in this episode. Ordered list, unordered list, definition list, nested list, and the customization of list. All these are very much useful for you. So try to explore further. We will see you in the next class. Thank you.